In this video, I'll show you how to use Saturday bonus in Megapari. Like and subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to use your Saturday bonus, here's what to do. The first thing is for you to claim it. As you claim it, go over to menu, come to order and click promotions. In promotions, you're going to see all the promotions that you can claim. There are lots of them, and one of them is the 100% Saturday football bonus. So how does this bonus works? Once you claim this bonus, if you deposit money to your Megapari account on a Saturday, you're going to receive 100% as a bonus. So for instance, you deposit $10, you're going to receive another $10 as a bonus. And to use it is very simple. All you have to do is first of all read the instructions by just clicking the Megapari and reading the terms and conditions. And one of the terms and conditions for you to place a bet to order money. If you place a bet to order extra money that you receive, you can be able to withdraw it. So what you have to do is come over here and place a bet from your promo, not from your main account. And once you won, you're going to be able to withdraw the money to your main account.